Mayonnaise, mayonnaise, mayonnaise. Super delicious mayonnaise. Today we're going to try mayonnaise with 3 different methods: a normal hand whisk or hand mixer, a hand blender, and just a normal hand whisk. 3 different methods to make mayonnaise, handmade mayonnaise with some fresh eggs. Alright, so let's start right away. The recipe itself is pretty easy. You always need 2 eggs, some oil. I'm gonna test some olive oil and some normal vegetable oil today. You're going to need some mustard, a teaspoon of mustard. You're going to need salt, sugar, and white vinegar as well. So here we go with the white vinegar. And of course some pepper. Some like white pepper, others like I do don't care if you have white pepper or if you have black pepper sprinkled. So this is why I'm going to take black pepper and add it into there as well. So that's all of it. Basically pretty simple. Mayonnaise is more about the technique. So let's start. No matter the method, the procedure is always the same. The egg yolk and some mustard. Then start whisking the entire thing. Drizzle slowly the oil into it. This time I'm using olive oil. Whisk until it has a nice consistency. Add some vinegar, add the seasoning, some pepper, some salt, and some sugar, and then whisk again. Whisk until it sticks nicely to the back of the spoon, and when the mayonnaise is finished, then you can season the mayonnaise with other things, for example chili flakes, or make an alioli. Different seasoning of mayonnaise in an upcoming video, so make sure to subscribe so you're not going to miss the upcoming video where we make flavored, different tasting mayonnaise. Now this time I'm going to put everything except the oil in our jar and start whisking. Methods of making mayonnaise were successful. I like the consistency of the hand blender the best. It was also the fastest way how to make mayonnaise. But if you don't have a hand blender or you don't need to make a large amount of mayonnaise, then going the traditional path with the hand blender is probably going to be the easiest way to make. let me know in the comments if you'd like me to experiment making some mayonnaise in the massive big boy blender.